Hello everybody, I'm Simone Mecozzi from Rome, Italy. This is assignment number 6, last one about Introduction to Music Production online course from Berklee College of Music. And today I want to compare the graphical interface of 4 different synthesizers. Clearly show where the oscillator, filter, amplifier, envelope and LFO section are. I use for this demonstration my DAW that is Ableton Live 9, where I insert 5 synthesizers. The first one is one synthesizer from Ableton Live that is called Operator. You can find this instrument directly on the instrument section in the DAW. First of all, we can see here 4 different oscillators, A, B, C, D. In this case, I just turn it on the A oscillator, and B, C, and D are turned off. Oscillator or a VCO, voltage controlled oscillator. Here we can choose the waves from the synthesizer, from sine wave to white noise to square to so. In this section we can choose the filter, VCF, voltage controlled filter, and here we can choose the low pass, high pass, band pass, notch and comb filter. Here there's the frequencies for the cutoff of the synthesizer and the resonance for the shape of the spectrum. Here is the amplifier. Here we can choose the pan, and here we can choose the LFO, of course the shape, sine wave, square, triangles, sawtooth and noise. This is the sample rate and the amount, that is the D from 0 to 100%. And last of all, about the envelope, just select the oscillator and then the envelope, and here we can choose the attack, decay, sustain and relays, plus other parameters that we can choose in the operator. The second synthesizer that I want to show you is a Lenark Digital Silen. This is a polyphonic synthesizer, external the DAW. We have 4 oscillators, one divided in part A and part B. Oscillator A1, oscillator A2, oscillator B1 and oscillator B2. Of course, in every oscillator we can choose the waves and other parameters I need. This is a polyphonic synthesizer, so we can add also the number of voices in every VCO. This is a filter area. In the filter A we can choose the cutoff and the resonance and the filter type. Here we can choose the LFO shape and also the rate and the depth. Here there's amplifier with a VCA, main monitor, and the mix A and mix B, where we can mix oscillator A1 and oscillator A2 together, going to the main volume. This is the envelope area. We can choose the attack, decay, sustain, relays. The third plugin that I want to show you is a digital plugin called Sower from ImageLine. Here there are oscillator parameters, and here there are a filter section where we can move the cutoff, resonance, the kind of voltage control filter. This section is about LFO, where we can choose the shape, the destination of the shape. We can choose the amplitude envelope and of course the destination. And then here the amplifier, where I have the level and panning. The 4th plugin that I want to show you is external plugin from Reason that is connected via a wire in my DAW. It's called Subtractor, that is here. We have 2 kinds of oscillator, oscillator 1 and oscillator 2. We can choose here the kind of waveform. Here is the filter section, the type of filter, notch, high pass, band pass, low pass, and the frequency or cutoff and resonance. And here the modulation about LFO, and here there's LFO2, where I can modify the oscillator number 2. And here is the envelope section. Here, the last one, here is the volume level amplifier. For the moment I finish, and thank you for watching this video. If you want to collaborate with me, my music website is www.soundcloud.com/Gaiatech. I'm looking for a good collaboration around the world to share our music and to improve and create something really good. Thanks again, and enjoy.